We have a very chilling one to close out with. We might even go so far to say that this is one of the creepiest things that we have posted to the channel ever. Security cameras captured this moment, that a woman became possessed and was dragged off by some paranormal entity. We see the woman lying flat on the floor, looking directly into the camera, as she is slowly dragged by something, deeper and deeper under the crib. We can't tell what it is, but this entire thing is strange and spine-tingling. She doesn't seem to react to what is happening, and the glow of her eyes into the camera doesn't help make this any less unsettling. You can see the baby fast asleep in the crib above as this takes place. According to popular lore, vampires generally don't have any reflections and are nocturnal creatures. We can't say if this guy is a member in the ranks of the undead, but look at this crazy footage. We see the security camera video from an office where, unexpectedly, we see someone walk past the first window, then passes in front of the entrance and goes on his merry way. What is going on here? Why didn't we see him pass through the second window? Looking carefully, we can see that the second window appears to be closed compared to the first. That still wouldn't explain what is going on here. In this CCTV footage from the Philippines, we see this man staying alone at night at what seems like a deserted street corner. Look carefully over his shoulder on the right side of the screen. We can see a ghostly mist form out of nowhere and hover next to him, but he doesn't realize or notice what is even there. This girl shared on TikTok a strange experience that she captured. At David's bridal trying on a dress, she is now convinced that the specific location is haunted, as she is sure something supernatural manipulated her image in the video. Do you agree with her? Does the image of her face look distorted?
I went shopping yesterday and I had on this dress and my sister was gonna wear this one, so I took this picture and I just sent it to her this morning and she responds saying, "Oh my god, that picture is possessed." This is the full photo. Look at my face here. This is not a serious smile, but look at my face here. And now look at my reflection in the back. I'm sorry. What is that? I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. That's possessed. That is the truth or dare smile. That more in my teeth. That's not even the same. That is not the same smile. It's not. You know what? I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. That's possessed. That is the truth or dare smile. That more in my teeth. That's not even the same.
Is this bird stuck in time? Is it stopped in midair? Going by the laws of physics, without flapping its wings to propel itself forward and create lift equal to its body mass, the countering effects of gravity would take effect and it would fall to the ground. But that is clearly not the case, as it hovers midair as everything around it continues as normal. Could this be a trick of the light or something more? Many have commented saying that this was a UFO hovering on the surface of the water that was accidentally caught on video. Others think that it might have been some kind of natural occurrence taking place that we just can't identify at this point. For now, we are just as confused and baffled to explain what this spectacle really is as everyone else is. Faith is something that you have to make up your own mind about, and the share of the video put the decision in your hands with evidence they call a proof of a higher being. Captured at an unnamed church somewhere in Brazil, we can see a statue of Jesus Christ with flowing streams of what appears to be blood come from it. Supernatural happening at a hospital late at night. A doctor claims to have accidentally left his phone recording in the storage room when he caught something strange and a little chilling. Look at the doors as they open and close again, repeated, all by themselves. This video captured poltergeist activity in the kitchen of a restaurant. At night, things move by themselves as well as multiple orbs are caught flying by the security camera. Looking closer, we see things getting knocked off the shelves as workers glance in confusion. For the wide range of happenings, it is hard to think that this is a prank or a variety of coincidences. As to why the entity is targeting this establishment, the workers can't explain why they're the center of attention of this unseen interloper.